I'm waiting for Mum to fall off in the water.
Put it in your pocket.
Yeah, right.
She a bit tight here, Dal.
Yeah, no, we'll get some pinstripes here.
Don't know about us, well they probably do by now, but we tend to not listen to the Wiki Campers comments.
No, like you got to take Wiki with a grain of salt.
Yeah, well some of them, like you know, some of them say, oh, you know, you can't take your caravan there, that's nice over there. And then, you know, we go, oh well, we'll test this theory and we'll just go. So we just keep following the track. But look, we're trying to find a camp at the moment.
People are whinging that this is overgrown. You only get a small camper in there.
Look at that track. That is used as.
Right. If you can't steer your van around and not get pinstripes here, you got problems. I'm in a truck. So
there is so many places to turn around as well. Like if you do get a bit far, like that, you can turn around. There's camp spots everywhere.
Hey, if someone, honestly, there's one of the comments like, good for only a small camper, this and that. Got pinstripes, mate. I don't think I'll put one pinstripe on this thing. I'll show you when I pull up, because we've just done like 200 k's of red dirt, and now we haven't pulled up or anything yet. Like, okay, I might get a pinstripe here, but like, when's that ever stopped anyone? Let's see how good I am at driving here. Yeah, no, we're getting a pinstripe. Oh no, look.
No, you didn't touch it.
So,
you had to experience it for yourself.
Yeah. Like some of the stuff in like Pardew Station and all that were like, oh, the road's worse than the Gib, wasn't worth the 11 k's in and 11 k's out, mate. Pardew Station was grouse.
Fine, yeah.
Even like 80 mile, people whinge about, like, you know, if you whinge about those sort of corrugations, buy an on-road van and don't take the thing off road. Like
things to do with roads, it changes all the time, so you can't take the comments with a grain of salt. But I reckon.
And we do like, you know, we do like proving people wrong too, like.
We do. We do.
You won't take that in there, champ? Yeah, right.
She a bit tight here, Dal.
Yeah, no, we'll get some pinstripes here.
We're gonna say hello to the trees.
As if this is something to worry about, like.
Nah, they're no pinstripe there. They're just brushing past those ones.
Cleaning the pinstripe, cleaning the dust off.
Right, let's see where we end up. We might end up just up the top and then turning around and coming back to one of these ones.
It is starting to get overgrown now, but we've come in pretty far.
We have.
We're now at the point of no return.
Oh, yeah, we can't. We now can't turn around. We're just testing the theory. We're testing it for everyone that comes after us. So we're going to be the comment on Wiki Camps.
We're going to be the one that everyone reads go, we've got a 22'6" caravan and a big ass truck in there.
You'll be right.
We might do the old drone recon, I think. That's the safest option now. So we'll do the old drone recon quickly.
We only came this far because the spot at the end is meant to be like a really nice spot.
Yeah, the problem is we still got to get out to the gorge and.
Yeah, we'll be right.
And this is, I mean, like, if you don't have a drone, this is what it's for. It's about, well, doing a quick recce mish with the drone. Right, see if you get into camp, if it's worth it. Someone might be in the spot, you never know. And I decided to press on. Might regret it, but there is a turnaround bay up there. Getting a bit overgrown, but I've done the recce with the drone. You'll see me coming into the camera in a second in the drone, but it opens up after this little bit. The wife actually called it. I said, we'll go back, but no. No, you did. You said, oh, we'll just go check it out because I want the sunset. Yeah.
I said,
listen to it. Listen. Oh, my poor caravan.
I said, if there's a place to turn around, then just keep going. I didn't know it was this overgrown. You were the one on the drone.
Guess what?
What?
It's Caravan's birthday.
It is Caravan's
Yeah, and look at the way Mum's treating it.
Well,
Well, caravan's wider than the truck.
That's why
Poor caravan. I bet you. What's the bet that we won't even like the spot and we've got to go back that way anyway? Alright, this is Alyssa's spot, so we're here. We made it. I've got my beer there. It's worth it. I mean, yeah, I got a couple of little scratchy datchies. Not too bad. Let's check the caravan out though. Ah, look, it's just on the dust. What are they talking about? Just cleaning the dust off, weren't we, Dar? Yeah, there you go. Should be right. Camp here for the night.
Alright, we're at Hamersley Gorge.
Yep.
We're just walking up to the lookout at the moment.
There's 2 lookouts.
Logan's complaining that it's not challenging enough for you, bud, is it?
Yeah.
He reckons this is grade 1. Hey?
We forgot to bring water bottles in.
We'll be right. It's only a short walk. But so far the scenery's alright. Oh, there are legs. There's your grade 4. The class 1, the orange is class 1, and then the yellow is class 4.
All of that is free. I see waterfall. I see waterfall. And then another water slide, and then
Indy, let's go.
Right, come on. What's wrong?
I don't know.
What's wrong? Logie decided to stay. He was, I don't know, maybe a bit scared.
Right in the middle, you usually say. Alright, I think I'm going to backward slide like. Alright!
What's not our spot? It is really not. Think you can even hear us?
It's pretty high.
No, I broke it.
What?
Ow.
Okay.
I got it on record.
Put it in your pocket.
You be careful, it would be really slippery, mate, wet. Like you would just be like Dad that just fell over. Bud. Flags, don't be silly. Oh. Alright, all the way down.
You just take them.
Indy's gone up 5 steps.
The spot with the view, Dale, was it worth it?
Yeah, it was alright. Can't complain.
Worth the pinstripes?
Oh yeah, no, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad, but if you don't want to put pinstripes on your car and caravan, then don't come down here. Pretty simple.
That's it.
It was a really nice spot though. We enjoyed it anyway. On to the next spot, Tom Price.
Yep, off to Tom Price. For a couple of nights, I had a bit of a deal on, so we're taking the best of that deal.
Yeah, so if you go, obviously we're late in the season, we have been, well, the whole time, the whole of the Northern Territory and Western Australia. From October onwards, they've got a deal, $25 per powered a night. So who's not going to say no to that? Happy days. Well, what's today? The 2nd. So 2 days ago it was $50 a night, and now it's half price.
Yep.
Can't complain.
Winning.
Let's see what it's all about. We're still getting out of here. So we've taken the full drive track up to Mount Nameless. The sun's just gone down.
Alyssa took us on another adventure. It was about a half hour.
I didn't know what the track was like.
It was a half-hour track getting up here, so we're...
It says four-wheel drive, Jack. You didn't even put in four-wheel drive. You're like, oh, we'll just do two-wheel drive until we can't.
Oh, it was... I know in the truck, obviously, you bounce around, but yeah, we'll get going before it gets too dark, so have a bit of daylight to get halfway down. But it has been a good spot. I'm in 4 low, first gear, not even touching the brakes. Alright, the truck's doing its own thing, just crawling down. That's how it's done. I was always taught you don't ride the brakes. Put it in the right gear. Alright, yeah, look, I'm not even touching the brakes, so. Put it in the right gear, it'll just do its own thing. 4 low, first gear, just crawling down. So it took us like 25 minutes to crawl down that hill. And then we're on the dirt track. So. And we'll go down here and do that in the caravan park soon. Alright, we are at Mount Bruce. It's a free camp. It's just actually outside Karijini. Depends what your class it as, but like literally, if you see where those cars are coming over there, go up there, hang a left, and you sort of go into 20 k's. You're into a couple of the gorges, and Karijini sort of starts there. There's a pay station, but not a bad spot. So we give you a little look. You obviously seen in the drone recce mesh where I put the drone up to find a spot. This is where we found. But we've got the truck parked there at the moment just to get some shade because of where the sun is. There we go at it. Oh, we got the 4E. Check out the backpackers. They're everywhere. Doesn't get much better than that though. Another one rolling in over here. Blakey cooked his egg. Obviously still hungry, ripping into a Nutella sandwich. Hey, old Mount Bruce bringing the goods. Oh, this has been my view, look. I mean, yeah, TV, Mount Bruce. Hard life. Where are we, darling? Oh.
We are attempting Hancock Gorge.
Hancock, so hang on. Dad probably have to go first.
Yeah, let Dad go first.
And then I go before Dad.
Watch out. Oh. We're gonna go down.
I will go
That way.
after Logan.
Somewhere. Oh.
Dad go first. Maybe it says walk downstairs backwards.
Very steep.
I see the checkpoint. Yep. This is fast.
Oh, we scaled down the mountain, didn't we, Logs? So we can find water, because that's all we're seeing at the moment. Meant to be a Kermit pool down here. Hey? I'm more trying to...
I'm right behind Logan.
Oh, Alyssa! There's no fun in cheating. Well, you take the bag then. If I go ass up, then it's... I don't want it to be on me for wetting the bag.
He's gonna go behind me.
I'm waiting for Mum to fall off in the water.
What? Mommy, you wanna fall off? It'll be gone. It's not me. It's different. It's big. That's one part of my house. It's big. No, I don't want it.
It's time.
Damn you.
Oh, totally graceful.
I know. It's beautiful. Put it right there. Why do you need a rock? Look, it's kicking me. Like it's
Take extra care from this point on. Very slippery, very wet. High drops. Well, there's not much water in here, so...
That's very wet.
Yeah.
What? You have to put yourself up on your
The kids have got it sorted. Yeah.
Ready, camera?
Watch it. Whoa.
Mom, Daddy, I slipped in.
Almost done it again.
Come on, Dad.
Oh, hang on. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. Oh, the water's refreshing. Come on. Rightio, what are we, like day 7? Karijini.
We've only been in for 2 days.
Oh, in Karijini, but since we left Karratha, so we're about to do Knox Gorge. What was this, a 2k return walk?
Yep. But it says allow 3 hours.
Yeah, but it said allowed 2.5 yesterday, and geez.
We did in 1.
Yeah, we did in 1 hour. Well, half-hour walk each way, and probably had a half-hour swim. Easy. You good?
Whoa!
Yeah, be careful. Straight down the gorge. Look at that. Beautiful, but we've got to keep going around the rock ledge. Well, we made the end of it. I mean, you got to pay for a tour to go past that chain. You can hear him jumping down there, but it's pretty funny, hey Dale? Like, you do these walks and you sometimes don't get to take the views in because you're too busy watching where your feet are on rocks. But like, oh, look out there.
It's funnier that we've just gone down that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're walking all the way back to where we climbed down the gorge, and we're going to go right and find the secret swimming hole. But it was pretty cool to come see this.
It was cool.
It was a good little walk.
There's something really nice about walking through a gorge.
Yeah.
Very tiring.
But I thought your legs were 7 now and you could do them. Makes a good photo here, Dale. Right here. Just watch it.
What are you doing? What are you trying to do?
You Wally.
You look like splat.
My foot is cooked.
Alright, we found the secret swimming hole, obviously. Just to show you, it didn't look like much in the camera walking down, but that's what you climb up, look. Straight up the gorge.
I'm just getting ready
So,
to put it in full drive.
let's start the climb up. So you swam straight down there, and we walked all the way up through that gorge. Alrighty, we are now on to Joffre, I think it's pronounced. We've got a little waterfall, so this is the start of the walk. We had a casualty, didn't we, Legs? You good?
Yeah.
Bit of a limp with the knee.
Like we were just this creek that is grade 5. There.
This is only 1.3 k's return.
Yep.
We asked a couple of people who already done it if the waterfall was worth swimming, which is probably that part down there.
Yeah. We didn't want to do the walk and then have the kids have no reward at the end of the the end of the walk. So that's it. Splash your face if you want in the water.
You go this way.
Splash your face.
Back to the steps. Yeah, that's the first hole, bud. They said there's 2.
Oh yeah, they said. Oh.
Just get myself a bit of solid ledge here.
Pretty good.
Oh, mum. Oh, you're alright. Just keep.
Glad there was water there.
I missed it. I was too busy watching you.
It's okay.
You good?
I thought it was so deep, but when I hopped in it, like it was shallow but not and deep together.
Thumbs up. Thank you.
Kids are walking over. You can't really see it on the camera, but there's a trickle of the waterfall down there. That was pretty easy walk, other than the steps on the way up.
It was
Pretty
nice.
flat, and then you just drop down into the thing, and then walk through there.
I'm glad we decided to do Knox before this one. Because Knox probably would have been about 2.5, 3 by the time that you did the lookout end of the gorge, end of the swimming hole.
Do you reckon? I reckon it was only 2 hours.
Well, just no kilometres.
Oh yeah, sorry.
But then this one, 1.3 return, so easy as. And then the lookout is just on the car park.
Up behind me, just there somewhere. Yep.
But yeah, if you've got kids, definitely do the Knox first. They will whinge, but then you just tell them, no, this one's half the size.
Yeah.
And this one is a lot easier.
And see if they're actually going to swim across, or they're too scared.
You going to swim?
Alright, we are at the Karijini Info Centre. Just been in, got ourselves a nice little sticker to add to the collection. And anyway, I am going to drop our van here and go down to Dale's Gorge, and there's a couple of pools. We were going to go to a camp past where you turn back off to come into Karijini, but we're hearing it may be shut. So we thought, well, we'll drop the van here, we'll go do what we want to do for the day, and then we'll work out where we're camping later. So you can camp at Dale's campground where we're going, but yeah, we opted to not camp there. We'll just go down for a day trip. Alright, last little day. We're at Fortescue Falls. We were up here before somewhere. Circular pool lookout and the 3 ways that we've come here because this is your quickest walkway in. Yep. So I'm gonna go down here. I don't know what we've got. I don't know. It's not really very well signposted. We've got fern pool and all sorts of stuff there, don't we? Who's that? Oh, you? I didn't recognise you. You've got new swimmers on finally. It's only taken like 3 weeks to get you out of those other swimmers.
Really?
I reckon so. What do you reckon, Mum?
You did have them on since your birthday.
I took them off for 1 day.
1 day.
1 day and that's it.
Good. Had the bloody prime off you, didn't we? Are your legs going to be right for this walk, Chuck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not far, man.
Fortescue Falls. There's water.
Oh my god.
That's where we're going swimming. I hear the waterfall. All right, Chuck. Ice skating. Indy, I don't reckon you'll swim in that. Doesn't look good for you. You can.
Very deep,
Oh, it's very slippery.
No.
Is there anything else but fish?
You can turn. You can. I'll help you. Just hold on to me.
Ooh.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Nothing refreshing.
Yeah. Look, let's. You're alright.
Well, that's Karijini done.
Yeah, officially just got out of the national park. You can take vans. I left my van at the info centre, obviously. Didn't know because it says something about you can only get 7 metre long vehicles into the whatever it is, Fortescue Falls car park and the Dales Lookout car park or whatever it is down there. They both had bus parking and trailer parking, so for future. But anyway, didn't matter. We
It's not very far from it.
No, we went back to the info centre anyway and got an ice cream, and so yeah, it worked out alright. But
Alright, favourite spots. My favourite gorge was Hancock Gorge by far. And the pool would probably be Hamersley or the Fern Pool.
yeah, I reckon my favourite walk and part, Karijini was, I like Hancock's. I love walking through the little rock gorge and
Yeah.
A bit more water in there, would have been up to your waist and whatever, but
It was cool.
and a cool little swimming hole at the end, so that was probably my favourite part.
Yeah.
The Fern Pool was nice though, like just a swim, because that was a real easy walk. That was pretty. That was a nice spot too. But walking, yeah, I don't know. I'd go Hancock for me.
Hancock, yeah. What was your favourite part of the Karijini?
The waterfall.
Waterfalls?
The one that we just done.
Yeah.
And the one that was tight with water.
Hancock, yeah. That was cool too, hey?
Yeah.
Going through the gorge.
And I think it was the first one.
Oh, Hamersley?
Yeah.
Yep. That was cool too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, until next time.
Yep.
Really? Bye.